Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I'm decorating 3 scallop shells to create an offering dish and decoration for my ocean themed altar. Let's do some magical crafting. Thank you for joining me as I decorate 3 scallop shells for my ocean themed altar. I will leave links to all of the materials I use in this craft below the video. I will also leave a link to my Etsy shop where you can purchase a decorated scallop shell of your own. I had so much fun doing this project that I decided to decorate all of my leftover shells and offer them for sale. Each shell is unique and there are a limited number available. I started this craft with large white scallop shells and painted them with various colors of acrylic paint, creating an ombre pattern. I built up the color in layers, drying each layer in between. Visiting the ocean is one of the most restorative things I can do to recharge my energy and focus my mind, to meditate, to raise power, and to dream about the future. So each summer I create an ocean-themed altar, decorated with shells and driftwood, seaweed, and other flotsam and jetsam from the ocean. I like to use scallop shells as offering dishes on my altar, as well as decorating them with paint, glitter, and pearls. The next step after painting the shell is to add dotted decoration with chalk paint pens. I chose complementary yet contrasting colors to ensure the dots stood out from the background: light pink, sky blue, aqua blue, and white. The scallop shell has a long history as a magical symbol, and it represents many things, particularly beauty and travel. You can put a scallop shell on your altar to focus your intent on any travel-related goals you may have. If you're creating an altar for a goddess of love and beauty or fertility and birth, a scallop shell is a perfect decoration, especially for Venus, Aphrodite, Bridget, or Lakshmi. Or if, like me, you want to work more closely with the elemental powers of water, or consider yourself a sea witch of sorts, you may wish to create a water or ocean-themed altar. I've never really categorized myself as any specific type of witch. I think that the modern tradition of categorizing our magical practices has sprung up relatively recently because of the internet. Its popularity can be attributed to the importance of titles, tags, keywords, hashtags, and algorithms to content creators such as myself. So while I do not specifically consider myself a sea witch, I do consider myself a witch who loves the sea. I seal each shell by brushing on Mod Podge gloss or spray seal them with Mod Podge Ultra, but my favorite Mod Podge to use is Mod Podge Extreme Glitter to add sparkle without having to deal with loose glitter. However, while decorating the next 2 scallop shells for you in this video, I do use loose glitter, as well as pearl beads and cabochons, and tiny seashells to create beautiful, sparkly altar decor. So stick around and enjoy watching those magical crafts come to life. And if you enjoy my DIY and crafty content, kindly leave a like for me on this video.